dressed Beyonce in a gold gown.
I remember that.
You know,
So welcome to Tea with E, and joining me today is the runway ruler Falguni from Falguni and Shane Peacock.
hi Isha.
Thank you so much for
So
doing
good to
this.
catch up.
Tell me, what's one fashion rule that you love breaking? You guys break a lot of them and it always works.
I think I don't remember any rule that we have followed. We have gone all out and broken all the rules possible. And I think we are what we are today because we never tried being safe.
One piece from your new line that you would instantly picture being on a celebrity, who and why?
I think all of these pieces are very stunning and they would look great on any celebrity. But I think my personal favorite is this one.
Oh, wow.
And it's so chic. It has the oomph. It's red carpet, but it still has that little demureness to it.
We can
This is
see
what
why
I love
it's so
about
dynamic.
this. But a piece which I really love are these tapestry lehengas, which
They're so
we
stunning.
have shot this on Tabu. And I'm going to show you what we've done with her. And she looks so stunning in it. And there is, I think, literally about 1,800 hours gone in
It's so
creating this with
intricate.
so much detail. So
Wow.
these are my most favorite lehengas.
We've styled so many celebrities and brides in you,
Hmm.
and whenever they wear your creations, there's this instant feeling of larger than life, once in a lifetime princess moment. And so that brings me to my next question. Without taking any names, tell me your most challenging experience of dressing a celebrity or a bride.
I think we have taken challenges, accepted them, and then tried to go through them. And I feel the most challenging experience, I would give you two. One with a bride where she wanted more and more diamonds, and the outfit was from 15 kgs going to 20 kgs, and the weight was just going on and on.
Heavier than her.
Heavier than her. And I was like, listen, I don't think you'll be able to walk in it. Please, like, you need to stop somewhere. She's like, no, I'll manage it. But the bride walked through all the steps of the Umaid Bhavan Palace.
Wow.
And she was such a rock star. So I think
She
it was
did some
I mean,
serious weightlifting
yeah.
before getting on that aisle.
I feel like, that occasion, the wedding occasion of a bride is such that she doesn't mind any amount of weight. I mean,
That's
there are
true.
brides who really have a problem with weight, but this one was really unique.
But there's also something very special about your clothes. They look so grand, but a lot of the times they're so light.
Yeah.
Like, you know how we've had like brides doing like detachable trails with you,
Yeah.
detachable capes. And then there are actresses, I mean, from Sridevi ma'am to Janvi to Khushi, we've dressed so many of them.
Yeah.
And they're able to wear it through events, through hours, through nights. So I get it.
Yeah.
Why she could still walk around with that
Correct.
amount of diamonds and still
Yeah.
manage looking like she's not being burdened by that weight.
Exactly. But another very, very, with a celeb is what I wanted to talk to you about was the one when we dressed Beyonce in a gold gown.
I remember that.
To take it from India to LA was a whole logistical nightmare. The outfit has gone on a dummy in a box, a fridge carton, because no carton was fitting that
Wow.
outfit. It went over there. They had to cut the train into half. And every time she was standing at a red carpet picture wall, they would go and push the trail over there.
That's so unique.
Yeah,
I mean,
it's
only
so
you guys could do
unique.
something like
So
that.
what we had done is we had cut it, and then those gold baubles, they would just go and push it over there. So she would stand and take a picture, and then again they would take it, and then she would walk, and then again they push it. So it was so amazing. It was
I love how
really
these guys can do such creative things. And guys, this is what happens behind the scenes, which none of us see in front of the camera. So thank you so much, Falguni, for sharing this. I love that you gave us two interesting experiences and not just one.